Mickey, are we glad to see Mickey, everyone? Well, I'm very excited to have Mickey here tonight, and all of you are going to get to have a special time with Mickey. So we're going to be taking your family out one at a time. You're going to get some special pictures. You're going to get to talk to Mickey, meet him personally, ask him questions about tomorrow when you go to Magic Kingdom. So you guys will each get your turns, okay? So look forward to that. And everybody say hi, Mickey! Hi, Mickey! Thanks for coming to our legacy retreat, Mickey!